Get the rest with this to make it quick. Okay. Okay. Now this comes off. Look at these rusty parts. Okay.
So this part that you got.
Yeah, I'm changing everything. Okay, what I want to do is I want to try the new part and see if it fits on here. I need to take this brake line off, which means I'm going to have to put it all together to bust that loose. We might be able to get it. We could try. Okay, I need the new part.
Next
Where's
thing.
what?
Your finger first.
It says right. Okay, so we actually have to.
Looks same.
Huh?
I hope it's same size.
Yeah. What we need to do is just try and assemble it. So it goes like this, and then we need to take this apart. So I need. Oh, they didn't give us new parts of that. Okay, I need the smaller one.
This one?
Yeah. Maybe the socket wrench.
Are they fit on it?
Got it.
Okay. Unit bucket?
Not yet. Let's just take this off and just make sure it looks the same. Okay. Okay. Now, that. That's the old one. It's trash. Okay, we're just gonna put this on for now and then take it back up. Where's my bolts? All right, there's one. You got the other one. Okay. Let me get the small bolts.
Now I'm gonna put the new one.
Okay.
That shine.
Yeah. All right. So what we're gonna
No
do
bolt.
is.
You just put it in that side. Don't wipe it.
That's wrong. That's right. And that's right. Okay. So this one goes here. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah. Now we got all our things. Now we just need to pick out these for the other side. And we got these two brakes to press and release. Press and release. So you want these to be nice and lube. This one's being weird.
I think that.
Okay.
You know which one is on
Yeah.
top and which one is
Yeah, this goes right here like this.
the position, is it?
Yeah.
Remember?
Needs to go down, down. There we go. Nice and easy. Perfect. Now let's get this. I gotta make sure this doesn't drop because it'll rip that brake line off. Okay. Look how easy that goes together. Being brand new.
Oh yeah.
Tighten just with my hand. It's
ko.
Let me get the other.
It's kind of scary.
25. That's not very much. See how that moves?
Yeah.
That's what we want. Okay.
Now it's looking good and shiny. Yan na yung kita buat eh.